The courtroom sat heavy with silence as 17-year-old. Malik Johnson stood trembling in shackles, eyes lowered, trying to understand how his life had spiraled into this nightmare. He had always been quiet, gentle, and focused on school, more interested in robotics, club than hanging out on the streets. But today, a judge with a cold stare prepared to hand him a life sentence for an armed robbery he never committed. The evidence was thin, the witness uncertain, and the police report filled with contradictions. Still, Malik had been the easiest target, a young black teen with no money for a real lawyer. His public defender barely fought, flipping pages like he already accepted defeat. Malik's mom sobbed in the back, clutching his school photo in her hand. When the judge slammed the gavel and pronounced life in prison, the room erupted in shocked gasps. Malik's knees shook. His mother cried out, begging for mercy. But the judge simply stood and walked out, unmoved. Thrown into a holding area, Malik struggled to breathe. Life? Before he had even lived. A guard finally handed him a phone. One call, he muttered. Most would dial home, but Malik called someone unexpected, Attorney Jordan Pierce, a civil rights powerhouse who had recently spoken at Malik's school about justice and knowing your rights. Malik barely whispered his name before Pierce cut him off. Don't worry. I'm coming. Within hours, Jordan Pierce stormed into the courthouse. With a legal team and national media following, a child was handed a life sentence with no solid evidence. She demanded, voice echoing through the halls. She filed emergency motions, forcing a hearing. Court reopened, cameras rolling. Pierce exposed everything the prosecution tried to hide, grainy footage showing Malik miles from the scene, timestamps proving police tampered with the timeline, and audio from a witness who admitted officers pressured him to identify Malik. The courtroom buzzed with outrage. The judge's face flushed red as Pierce dissected the case piece by piece. The prosecutor stumbled over excuses. The arresting officer refused eye contact as misconduct reports surfaced. Under the weight of truth and national attention, the judge finally caved. Conviction vacated. Malik Johnson is free. His mother collapsed in relief, tears flowing. Malik stepped forward, voice shaking but firm. They tried to take everything from me, he said quietly. But one call changed everything. And now, I'm going to help others like me. Malik walked out not defeated, but determined, a quiet boy who sparked a loud revolution.